All right, so Logan and David, this is David's 96, right, David? 98? All right, this is David's 98. Oh yeah, it's got 98 mags on it. David's 98 Cobra. They came all the way from South Carolina last night. They went ahead and crashed at my house because they got in like 3:30. Took 12 hours because the trailer was swaying and shit. So we woke up this morning, surprised Brent at the shop because Brent actually showed up, and now we're gonna unload this beast. All right, so David's 98 Cobra is about ready to get TKO'd, and BR'd too. Hopefully Brent will help. It's pretty straight. He's got some Revos in there. I don't know what color we're gonna paint the Revos, but I don't know, I guess he's sponsored or something. I don't know. Everyone seems to be sponsored with those mags, but I like the 98 factory mags best.
Is it time for lunch yet?
You already ate, dude. Hey David, so what do you expect from your car? What are we doing?
At least to get painted. Painting it.
I know, and then what? What else are we doing?
Say 500 wheel.
You getting your engine built?
Hopefully more than that. Yeah.
We got Chili Goat stray that came in today. He's cool as hell. Look at him. Yeah, we gave him some water. We got Logan right there, David right there, and then here's Samantha.
Alright guys, we got Samantha here. We're kind of teach her the ways of the shop. She's going to be in all our videos now. So, alright Sam, take that mirror off for us.
If you do that.
Sorry. Bam.
Got it, girl.
Done.
Did you just TKO that mirror?
I did just TKO that mirror.
You look like a tool man, girl. Alright, so here's our new one. Yeah, here's a rag right here, Brent.
It won't hang in my
What?
belt loop.
Put it in your pocket. What do you have to say to your first shout out?
Hi everybody.
Logan's first attempt at driving the fastback.
I'll show you how it's done, dude. Days of Thunder.
Rev it up. There you go. There you go. Put in reverse before.
On Mustangs.
Put in reverse before. Yeah, there you go.
A double clutch.
right, Samantha, go help him wash.
What do you want me to use?
What?
What do you want me to use?
There's a bucket right there.
Look at this, dude. The brand new paint job. It's ruined.
So what do you think about the shop, Samantha?
Do what?
What, are you excited to work with us at the shop?
I am.
So she's gonna be going to car shows with us. And there's Logan right there. We're washing my Jeep up, and we're just gonna sell it on Craigslist and buy a couple more Mustangs. All right, Doug, so we went ahead and painted your cow panel. Now look how crisp that is. You know how faded and sun faded it was, so you're looking mint again, because you know those are very expensive. We painted the wiper arms, so
Got the third brake light.
third brake light as well. But I buffed it, polished it, and waxed it. We buffed his headlights, so it's looking mint. We turned the emblems around, and you can see just how nice we got the paint looking with a full paint correction. So this thing is pretty mint now. Buffed the tail lights, fixed his third brake lights. If y'all watch back on the other videos, you can see how messed up the third brake light was. So now we're just buttoning it up, tire shine it, and we did replace his mirror too, because his mirror had a big scuff on it. So we're just buttoning it up, and then we'll give him a call and he'll come pick it up. Also, we detailed the engine bay up, and we put this radiator cover because he was missing it, so it just looked funny without it. So we went ahead and threw that in. So yeah, we're buttoning it up, and then we're gonna pull it outside and take a few pictures, and then we'll have him on our way. We just gotta wait till Samantha and Logan get done washing the Jeep. What? Samantha's leaving. She's got to go home and ride her horse before it gets dark.
Sure do.
So we're going to go out to eat, and we're going to go down the riverfront. You're going, right?
Huh?
You're going, right? Tonight?
Sure.
And then bonfire at your house?
For sure.
All right, cool. We'll see you later.
Bye.
All right, so we got two SN95 Cobras, both of them crystal white. That 98's David's. This is Steven's 96 if y'all haven't seen the video. Got the Calypso brake calipers intake, and I went ahead and did a full detail on it, waxed it, buffed it again, and added the Calypso door pulls, so, and the Calypso Hearse shifter. So his interior's finished now, and the car is mint, Calypso rear lettering, painted gas tank, all that. I don't know, you guys seen the video, but I didn't do a walk around in the daylight, so right now you can see it. Yep, so Logan, he cleaned up the Jeep. We're gonna sell my Jeep and buy some more Cobras or something, right, Logan? So Steven's on his way to pick it up. We got to drop the zinc yellow 01 off, and then the 99 GT is gone. So we've been out here since 9 o'clock in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock at night. So I'm out of here. We're gonna go get some food.
Someone who don't do the same.